Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. You can also stay crypto dated with by listening to our crypto news podcast. We've left the link for you in the description box below. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly go to today's headlines. Indian PM calls for cryptocurrencies to empower democracy at Global Summit. Crypto regulations for South Africa are coming in 2022. With a $6.2 million bid, Free Ross DAO wins the Silk Road Founders NFT auction. The data on today's most popular meme coin shows a surge of 7,250%. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, cryptocurrency made an appearance at a global online summit for world leaders in a speech from Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi also called for a global standard on cryptocurrencies and major social media platforms in an effort to facilitate free and fair elections and governance. I wonder if India will start using blockchain voting tech soon, because all the signs by PM Modi is pointing to a huge revolution. Let's have a look at what exactly happened. Modi said India would be happy to provide other nations new digital solutions to enable free and fair elections and administration at the summit held by US President Joe Biden on Friday. In addition, the Prime Minister asked for a worldwide standard on cryptocurrencies and major social media platforms, presumably in response to the influence some have had on Indian and other nations' politics. We must also work together to define global rules for new technologies such as social media and cryptocurrencies so that they are utilized to strengthen rather than threaten democracy. Democracies can achieve the ambitions of our citizens by working together. At the summit, Modi represented about 1.4 billion people as Prime Minister of India, the world's biggest democracy by a wide margin. His comments came as the Indian government considers a measure that would prohibit the use of some cryptocurrencies while simultaneously encouraging the construction of a digital rupee. According to several accounts, the law is geared towards regulating crypto rather than outright prohibiting it. The identical measure has already come on the agenda of the Indian Parliament but has yet to be voted on. The Reserve Bank of India had a blanket prohibition on cryptocurrency on the books until March 2020, when it was overturned by the country's top court. So moving towards our next segment, so where is it from? It's from South Africa. Apparently, South Africa's financial regulatory watchdog plans to introduce crypto regulations in 2022, according to Bloomberg. Well, it's a great initiative indeed, protecting their citizens from scams. I wonder if the implementations would be so good. Anyways, let's have a look at it. These crypto-related frauds have resulted in billions of dollars in losses for victims and have prompted law enforcement investigations all around the world. In one case, two brothers reportedly took $3.6 billion in Bitcoin from investors through the now defunct Africrypt investment scam. The crypto legislation will contain requirements to oversee cryptocurrency trading as well as concerns pertaining to the connection between digital currency and the country's financial markets, according to Unathi Kamlana, South Africa's top financial regulator. According to Bloomberg, Kamlana expressed his desire for the FCSA to retain strong crypto monitoring in order to safeguard investors from potentially dangerous schemes. The FCSA commissioner did say, however, that crypto does not pose a serious risk to South Africa's financial stability. The FCA, according to Kamlana, considers crypto as assets rather than currency. So moving towards our next portion, Ross Ulbricht, the claimed founder of dark web marketplace Silk Road, has sold his first NFT at auction for $6.2 million or 1,446 Ether after announcing the opening of his Genesis Collection auction. In exchange for donor contributions, Free Ross DAO intends to fractionalize the NFT into Ross governance tokens and distribute them pro rata. Ross owners will be eligible to vote on initiatives and contribute to Free Ross DAO's governance. Oh well, dark web is involved here. I'll definitely get more views from this. That's nice. Jokes apart, let's have a look at what's getting cooked. Ulbricht, the creator of Silk Road, the most groundbreaking platform in crypto history, has shook the globe with his comeback. In an attempt for clemency and to support his family, Ulbricht emerged with an NFT collectibles auction 9 years after being caught and condemned to 2 life sentences. This auction drew a lot of interest from a lot of people and organizations just a few days after it was announced, with the bulk of them being Ulbricht loyalists and clear Silk Road followers. Ross Ulbricht rose to prominence as the creator of the Silk Road, a shadowy marketplace that mostly traded illicit pharmaceuticals. Customers often obtained narcotics from Silk Road sellers in return for Bitcoin. The market has surged in popularity with 9,500,000 Bitcoin being sold. So moving towards our last segment, well, the next is our mandatory portion, the top meme coin. Most of the things that are defined by strategy and a bit of luck is the motto of the highest grossing meme coin of today, that is 11 December, and the name of the coin is RPSL Leak. Well, what does RPS stand for, you ask? It's our beloved rock, paper, scissors man. Dude, this coin surged around 7,200%. Isn't that insane? Anyways, let's have a look at it. The current RPS League price is $3.27 USD with a trading volume of $102,849 USD in the last 24 hours. Our RPS to USD pricing is updated in real time. In the last 24 hours, RPS League has gained 7,200% of its value. With a live market cap of available, the current coin market cap ranking is 4399. Though the circulating supply is depleted and the maximum supply is also depleted. If you're looking for a place to buy RPS League, the best cryptocurrency exchanges for trading RPS League stock right now are PancakeSwap and BuySwap. A play-to-earn game that built on Millenary Game is now on the blockchain chapter with an Oracle-controlled economy. With this in mind, we have a special affinity for this game that spans generations and civilizations. These two major notions, when united, play an important role in this new era of history. I personally visited their website and it was quite well maintained with proper instructions for their game and cool customizations. They claim that we proudly introduced the first rock, paper, scissors league in the blockchain world, which has spread throughout the globe and is poised to grow even more popular. Any player is welcome to join, have fun, and play to earn. Players will have the option of participating in daily PvP games in which one player will win the whole prize pool, or in a weekly league or with larger payouts. Well, I wonder where will this NFT go? It's quite interesting indeed. So we'll now wind up with our assessment for today morning and meet you all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.